Hey everyone, it's Josh, and I'm here to tell you about my brand new Udemy course, Learn to Code with the Complete Unity 2D Masterclass, in which you will learn how to create multiple 2D games in Unity. This class is for anyone who wants to brush up on their Unity skills, as well as beginners that are taking their first foray into game development. We'll look into the basics of Unity, how to use C# effectively within Unity, how to make a math-based game, a block breaker, and finally a 2D physics game in the style of Angry Birds. You can get the course using the link in the video or in the description down below. This 10-hour course is completely new and will cover everything you could possibly need to know about 2D and Unity to get a solid foundation and be ready to start making your own games. Throughout this course, you'll learn the benefits and drawbacks of multiple methods and coding styles in Unity, saving data through player prefs, a complete level select system, 2D physics calculations, and tips and tricks that will help streamline your workflow. As a thank you to everyone watching this on YouTube, you can use the link on screen now or click the link in the description to get 86% off. Thanks for watching, join me on this course, and I look forward to seeing all the amazing games you're gonna make.